let's see what we're working with. Block looks solid, but the belts are shot. We can fix that. It'll be a beast. All right, let's push it up. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep it straight. That's it. Check the block for cracks. Looks good so far. Suspension solid. Good, note it. All right, let's get this rust off. On it, starting with the door. Grabbing the pliers for the intake. All right, bring it down slow. Got it, steady now. Perfect, let's lock it in. All right, let's get these new tires on. Got it, grabbing the first one. All right, this one's on. All right, get the passenger seat out. On it, passenger seat is clear. Good, driver seat's next.